This problem just wants you to come up with the line. So the equation for the line y equals mx plus b. So they are essentially asking you to find the y-intercept where it crosses the y-axis and the slope or rate of change, which is its rise over run from one point to the next. So our y-intercept where it crosses the y-axis right here at 0. So I'll just write it down, y equals mx plus 0. Notice none of these equations have a 0, but they all have an implied 0. So you could imagine a 0 is on all of them. And then your slope would be where it goes from one point to the very next time it crosses perfectly. So I'll go from the point I already posted to that one, and I'll count down. My rise would be 1, only I'm going down, so it's negative, and my run would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope is -1/4. So I'm looking for the equation that has the slope of -1/4. That would be choice D.